what is the next number? So we can see here some numbers are given 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, let's see one more question. And the next question is 50, 45, 40, 35 and 30. So what is happening here in these two questions, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30? In the second question, 50, 45, 40, 35 and 30. This is what we are going to discuss today. So this is our topic, number pattern for class 3, and understanding number sequences and pattern. We will learn it. Introduction to number patterns. So we can see here in the first row itself 2, 4, 6, 8, and the second row is 3, 4, 6, 9. So in the first row what is happening? 2, 4, 6, 8. Here we can say 2, 4, 6 and 8. So this is a table of 2, right? The numbers are increasing by 2. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 8. That is what is happening in this first row, right? 2 plus 2 equals to 4 plus 2 plus 2. So in that sequence, in that way it is increased. That's how it is becoming 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we can say the numbers are increasing by 2. And let's see in the next row, that is this second row is 3, 6, 4, 9 and 12. What is happening here? This is increasing by 3. And the third row 4, 8, 12, this is increasing by 4. And the fourth one, that is the table of 5, so it is increasing by 5. So in that way these are increasing. So we can say a sequence of numbers that follow a particular rule. And what is that particular rule? The numbers are increasing by certain number. That is particular rule is like first row is increasing by 2 and third is increasing by 3. So here we can see numbers are increasing by or decreasing by 2, 3 or 4. So we have to calculate that. So what is the benefit? Helps in solving math problems and improve critical thinking. We get better ideas of numbers and how they are increasing or decreasing. So better understanding of the math problem and critical thinking. Skip counting by twos. So that's what we are going to learn. We can see here numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And what would be the next number? We can see here from the starting 2, 4 and the next one is 6. So what is happening here? If you guess and if you see clearly, you will see that only difference of 2 in each the number. So skip counting is useful for learning multiplication and finding number patterns. If you know the tables, you can solve these kind of problems easily. Learning math is fun here at Little Scholar Learn. Subscribe now to stay on track. One more example, skip counting by fives. So we can see numbers are given 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. What is happening here in these numbers? 5, 10 and 15 and 20, 25, 30, 35. If you see clearly, each number is increasing by 5, or we can say this is the skip counting by 5. One more example, skip counting by tens. We can see here 10, 20, 30 and 40. So 20 and the next is 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. We are adding 10 in each number and getting the next number. Repeating patterns. So numbers are given here 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 5 and dash dash. You have to find the next number. So how we will do that? So in this pattern, if you see 3, 3, after each number, alternating number 3 is coming, and in the same way 5 is also coming. So 5, 5 and 5 you can see. So in this way you will understand that the next number will be 3 and 5. So we are writing here 3 and the next number is 5. 3 and 5 will be the next numbers. We can say 3, 5, 3, 5 and 3, 5. In that way these are coming. So next will be 3, 5. So what's happening here? We can say that repeating patterns have numbers or elements that repeat in a fixed sequence. In a fixed sequence it is coming, right? So let's say we have one comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 1 comma 0. So what will be the next number? Based on this pattern we can say the next number will be 1 0 1 0 and 1 0. What will be the next number? We can say that next number will be 1 0 because it is repeating. One more example, you have 2 3 4 5. Based on this, if we say what is the next number, you can say 6, right? Because each number is increasing by 1. So that's how we calculate the repeating patterns. We get the pattern what is happening and then we can find the next number. Adding and subtracting patterns. So patterns not only adding, it can be decreasing, like this one 10 15 20, adding 5 each time, right? 5 is increasing, 10 plus 5 15 plus 5 20, right? And the next will be 35, as you can see, because 30 plus 5 35. What if we are decreasing number or we are subtracting number by a certain number? Here in this case it is decreasing or subtracting by 5, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30. What will be the next? If we say here, right, it is decreasing by 5, we are subtracting, so the next will be 30 minus 5 25, right? Now we will do some exercises, that is fill in the blanks. So we have given 4 12 20, and each time it is increasing by 4, right? So what will be the next? 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. So that's why it is 8 will come here. Again 8 plus 4 12, and 12 plus 4 16. So that's why 16 will come here, and 20 plus 4 24 will come here. There is one more question for you. We have given the numbers like 6 comma 12 comma dash dash. You have to find it, and the next number is 24. So you have to find this third number, what will come here. And the next question is 10, and after 10 we have 13, and then we have the next number 16 and 19. So we have to see what will come next based on this pattern. So this is our question. We have now three questions. Okay, sorry, two questions. The question number 3, in this question number 3 we have this 5, then next is 11, the next number is 17, and then we have to find the next number based on this pattern. Write your answer in the comment section.